wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best cabinet turntables. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the bottom shelf of the Copco 2-tier offers more than 7 inches of clearance, which provides plenty of space for spice jars, boxes, cans and other fairly tall items, with even taller things able to sit on the top level. Each tier measures about a foot across. It comes with stable non-skid surfaces and offers a quick and easy assembly. However, it doesn't rotate super smoothly. At number 9, the madesmart Classic is as simple as they come, which, as is the case here, is often a good thing. Made from sturdy plastic, it's equipped with a substantial lip that makes it easy to grab and helps prevent items from falling off. It's got a textured surface to prevent things from tipping over and a non-slip bottom that holds it in place, but the product label is hard to remove. Coming in at number 8 on our list, sturdy and well-balanced, the Lazery Lazy Susan has a nice textured surface that won't allow glass or plastic containers to slide around. Their outer rim is the right size to prevent items from coming off it without interfering when you reach in to grab something. It includes a durable rubber mat, and there are 9 and 12-inch options. It's a compact, space-saving construction. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cabinet turntables, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, you can hide the mdesign container in a cupboard, place it in a pantry, or display it on a countertop, wherever it'll get the most use. It rotates effortlessly with a tall rim to keep condiments and cans from taking a tumble. There are 4 colors to choose from, all made from tough, damage-resistant plastic with stainless steel support rods. Moving up our list to number 6. Designed with corner cabinets in mind, the Youcopia Crazy Susan works well for simplifying access to canned foods, spices and other household items. No mounting or installation is required, just make sure your space can accommodate its 16-inch body. It features quality steel ball bearings and 4 nifty slide-out shelves. It makes it easy to categorize the contents. Halfway up our list at number 5. All it takes is a gentle turn of the lovotex tabletop to bring your favorite seasoning or garnish into view. It'll match the appliances in a modern kitchen, and its 2 levels can put plenty of condiments and other cooking accessories within easy reach. It's a sleek stainless steel design that's lightweight for easy portability. It spins easily even when full. At number 4, a large sturdy base allows the OXO good grips to spin freely without wobbling or becoming off kilter, letting you quickly zero in on the spice, medicine or canned item you're looking for, saving you from tedious rummaging around. It's got rubber feet to protect your surfaces and a deep edge to keep items upright. You could choose from 2 sizes. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Though the dowell chrome does require installation, once it's set up, your cabinet will be transformed from a chaotic free-for-all into a well-oiled, organized machine. Unlike more compact options, this model will accommodate large items like bowls and pots. The height of the shelves is adjustable, and it's strong enough to hold cast iron pans. It comes with all the assembly hardware. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cabinet turntables, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the D-shaped platforms of the stow-n-spin organizer come in handy when you're using it in a crowded space. It's a sizable, versatile option, capable of accommodating up to 28 standard-sized cans or as many as 80 regular spice jars. It sports a considerable weight and comes with machine washable shelf inserts and a galvanized steel bearing. And coming in at number 1 on our list, if you're looking for a blend of style, functionality and ease of use, you may want to add the rev-a-shelf Lazy Susan to your kitchen storage arsenal. It's solid and durable at ½ an inch thick, with a smooth surface that's easy to wipe clean. It's made from attractive maple with an extensive 20-inch diameter. It doesn't wobble or tilt. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cabinet turntables, or simply click beneath this video.